As an artist, I can certainly guide you through the process of mixing paint. First, we need to understand what type of paint we are dealing with: oil, acrylic, or watercolor. Each type requires different techniques and materials for mixing. Excellent choice. When mixing oil paints, you need to remember a few things. 1. Start by placing your colors on your palette in the order of the color wheel. This will help you keep track of your colors and understand how they relate to each other. 2. Understand that different colors have different strengths. For instance, phthalo blue is very strong and can overpower other colors, while yellow ochre is relatively weak. 3. I understand now. Creating your own oil paint is a fascinating process. Here's a simple guide. 1. First, you'll need pigment and a binder, which is traditionally linseed oil. 2. Place a small amount of pigment onto a glass palette. 3. Add a few drops of linseed oil to the pigment. 4. Using a palette knife, mix the oil and pigment together, working it until you achieve a smooth, fine paste. The consistency should be similar to butter. 5. If the paint is too thick, add more oil. If it's too thin, add more pigment. 6. Once you're satisfied with the consistency, your paint is ready to use. Remember to always work in a well-ventilated area and take safety precautions when handling pigments.
Indeed, while the traditional method of making oil paint is tried and true, there are a few creative modifications you could consider to add your own twist. 1. Experiment with different oils. While linseed oil is standard, oils like walnut or poppy seed can also be used, each lending a different quality to the paint. 2. You could try adding a touch of beeswax to your oil paint mixture. This can improve the body of the paint and add a lovely sheen to the final dried product. 3. Try grinding your own pigments from natural materials. This could range from grinding rocks for earth tones to using certain types of flowers for vibrant colors. However, be aware that not all materials are safe to handle or suitable for making pigments. Always do your research and take appropriate safety measures. 4. Add texture to your paint with additives like sand or small glass beads. This will give your paintings a unique tactile quality. Remember, art is a realm of exploration and experimentation. Have fun with it, and don't be afraid to try new things.